चलो आज का बेटा क्या टॉपिक रहेगा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक कंटिन्यूड होगा कल की जो प्रीवियस टॉपिक्स हमने करे टेंस में। वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट। इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अफर्मेटिव, देन वी डिस्कस्ड नेगेटिव, and after that we discuss about interrogative. Now we will begin from interrogative negative and move forward from there. Okay, let's begin. So today's topic is interrogative negative sentences and it is in simple present. Okay, what the structure says, but the structure is does subject plus not plus v1. There is no need of ses, then object. So the structure says does, then subject, then not, then object, and there will be question mark. There will be question mark. For example, she writes letter. She writes letter. So we will write it as does she not, because it is interrogative negative. Does she not write letter? Does she not write letter? And then at the end question mark. Okay, so now another example. Let's see. Okay, if I give you an example, she cooks food daily. She cooks food daily. So in the form of interrogative negative. In interrogative negative, it will be changed as does she not cook food daily? Does she not cook food daily? Does she not cook food daily? Another example. Shyam tears page every day from his notebook. Okay, so it will be converted in interrogative negative as does Shyam not tear beta, not tears, it is only tear page every day from his notebook. Then at the end question mark. So it is in the form of interrogative negative. Okay, I hope you have understood it properly. Okay, now moving forward, next is present continuous. We have now present continuous. अब देखो इसमें क्या होता है बेटा, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड व्हाट इज इट्स नीड, क्या नीड है हमें, ठीक है। जब कोई भी वर्क आपका चल रहा हो, कोई भी काम आपका चल रहा हो, वर्क इज बीइंग डन, वर्क इज बीइंग done. Okay, and it is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. ठीक है, and in assertive form, बेटा assertive form में इसका क्या स्ट्रक्चर होगा, subject plus is mr plus v1 plus ing plus object. Subject plus is mr plus v1 plus ing plus object. And is mr क्या होगा बेटा, it is helping verb. Or we also call it auxiliary verb. Okay, verb की first form, that means present form. Verb की present simple. For example, she is writing a letter. ठीक है। So in Hindi we use it as वह लिख रहा है. So in English you will write it as she is writing. She is writing. In simple present form, now you will see the use. When the tenses will increase, you will understand it more properly. Okay. In simple present, it will become she writes. She writes. And in present continuous, she is writing. So how you will get to know whether it is in present continuous or not? So there is two hints. Number one, helping verb. Helping verb. In present continuous, the helping verb is always is am are. Is am are. Okay, the helping verb is always is am are. Is used for singular. Am is always used for I. And are is always used for plural. Okay, is am are. Is am are. Helping verbs is am are. ठीक है. In Hindi, when you see sentences ending with रहा है, रही है, okay, so these are in present continuous. Like वह खेल रहा है, वह खेल रही है, हम खेलते हैं, हम खेल रहे हैं, हम खेल रहे हैं. So examples, we are playing in the garden. We are playing in the garden. Next, Mahi is writing down her notes. Third, Pihu is understanding her lectures. Is understanding her lectures. So in this you can see, first of all you have seen are. Okay, so you get to know it can be present continuous. Then you will, the second hint will be ing form. Second hint will be ing form. Okay, there will be, we also call it V4 or we call it V1 plus ing. Okay, yes, V4 form is also called verb की first form plus ing. So for example, we are playing in the garden. In this, first of all you see helping verb is am/are, then you can get to know it is in present continuous. Another hint is ing. Another hint is ing. बेटा आप वहाँ पर क्या इस्तेमाल कर रहे होगे? ing form को. ठीक है, verb की ing form. Is it clear or not? Yes. So it is these all sentences are in assertive form. All are in assertive form. That means they are all in positive form. Okay. Next come present continuous in negative. Okay, negative sentences. So what will be the structure? Negative. Present continuous. Okay, so subject plus is am are plus not. Okay, when we use not, it is in negative form. Plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, we are not playing in the garden. We are not playing in the garden. Okay. Second sentence. Rahul is not swimming in the swimming pool. In the swimming pool. Next, you are not doing your work. You are not doing your
Work.
work. In all these sentences, beta, you can see the use of is, am, are plus not. Not is for negative sentences. Okay, they are all in V1 plus ing form. V1 plus ing form. Now let's move forward. Is it clear or not?
Clear.
Yes. Now comes present continuous. Okay. In this we will now go through interrogative role. Okay. In interrogative, what happens? Beta, your helping verb comes forward to the subject. To the
Subject.
Like what the structure says. Okay. So interrogative. Okay. Present
Continuous.
continuous. Interrogative
Present
present
continuous.
continuous. Your helping verb will come ahead of your subject. So your helping verb is, am, are plus subject. Is, am, are plus subject plus verb की first form plus ing plus object and then question mark.
Question mark.
And then question
Question
mark.
mark.
This is your interrogative present continuous. Okay. Now you will see the examples. Example: we are are we playing badminton in the garden? Are we playing badminton in the garden? Okay. Then next, is he doing his work properly? Is he doing his work properly? Next, third, am I M is in capital A. Am I going to do this? Am I going to do this? Okay. Now you have seen all the helping verb in these three sentences. Are, is, am, and all these are in interrogative form. All of them are in interrogative form. Okay. The structure says is, am, are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object, then at the end question mark. Okay. This is interrogative present continuous. Is it clear or not? Yes. Now moving forward. Now the last one in present continuous comes interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. Now let's see what is interrogative negative. Okay. What it says: interrogative
Negative. Continuous.
present continuous. Okay. Now see interrogative negative. First of all, beta, helping verb will come ahead of your subject and not will be used. So this structure will become is, am, are plus subject plus not plus verb की first form plus ing plus object, and then at the end question mark. ठीक है. Now you will see the examples. Yes. First of all, is he not doing his work properly? Is he not doing his work properly? Second, are we not playing kho. Are we not playing kho in the garden? In the
The garden.
garden. Okay. Then next, third one. Okay. Third one. Am I not
Am I not
supposed? Am I not? No,
supposed?
not supposed. Am I not doing? Am I not doing this work? This work. Okay. You can use any verb here. Okay. You can use doing, going, but only I with the ing form. Only with the ing form. Okay. Am I not walking? Am I not playing? Am I not writing? Okay. These all are in interrogative negative form. Is it clear or not? Yes. Now, okay, before starting present perfect, now we will see one example and we'll practice it. Okay. Yes. Whole present continuous. Present continuous. Okay. Let's take an example. Okay. Rahul jumps from the tree every day. From the tree every day. Now we will. It is in which form? Beta, it is in.
Assertive.
Beta, it is in simple present with assertive form. Okay. It is in assertive, but it is in
Simple present.
simple present. Now you will see it in present continuous. Okay. First of all, we will see assertive form. Okay. So Rahul jumps from the tree every day. It will become Rahul. Now helping verb क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? is MR में से is. Rahul is jump के साथ ing आएगा तो jumping from the tree
every day.
Okay. From the tree. But we will not use every day here. Okay. We will not use here every day because it is the work is being done. अभी काम हो रहा है तो every day मतलब होता है रोजाना. यहाँ पर इसलिए यूज नहीं होगा. Every day, whenever you will use every day, it is always in the simple present. It is always in the no. Don't use it in present continuous every day. Okay. Yes. Rahul is jumping from the tree. Rahul is jumping from the tree. Next. Rahul negative. Now you will see negative. Second one is negative. In negative, Rahul is not jumping from the tree. Rahul is not jumping from the tree. Third, interrogative. Is Rahul? Yes, beta. I is always capital. Okay, when we are starting sentences. Is Rahul?
Not jumping.
No, beta. Is Rahul jumping from the tree? It is interrogative, not negative interrogative. Okay. Yes. The fourth one is interrogative negative. So it will become is Rahul not jumping
from the tree.
not jumping from the
Tree.
and it is in question
Question
mark. Is it clear or not? Is it clear, beta?
Yes.
You will make notes out of it as soon as you get the video. Okay. Now moving forward. Now we will see a sentence in present continuous like she is cooking. She is cooking food. Okay. Now we will convert it in negative simple present. So it will become like this. First of all, it is negative and then it is simple present. Okay. So what will happen to the sentence? She verb की first form with ISES. So she शी के बाद बेटा नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ क्या आएगा डज नॉट या फिर यस शी डज नॉट cook, only cook, okay? She does not cook food. 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 Okay? Is it clear till now? Okay. Now see another sentence. I am playing with your brother. I am playing with your sister. Write it here, sister. Okay, I am playing with your sister. Now beta you will convert it into interrogative simple present. Now do it.
Interrogative simple present.
Yes, now try it. Try doing it.